In the late 1940s, Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral found himself pondering a perplexing mystery after a hiking trip. He noticed burdock burrs clinging stubbornly to his dog's fur. What if he could create something equally tenacious? Inspired, he created the Velcro Fastener, a delightful blend of hooks and loops. Despite initial skepticism and difficulty in manufacturing, he pressed forward, refining his design and patenting it in 1955. The result? A revolution in textiles that made zippers seem outdated overnight. From astronaut suits to everyday shoes, Velcro has changed lives by making gear more accessible. As we look to the future, the potential for Velcro technology is boundless, ripe for innovation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe for more amazing inventions.